Hello viewers, welcome to Sakira Anjum vlogs. Today I'll be making a very simple and quick to make breakfast dish, Masala Omelette and hash browns. Let's get started. To which bowl I'm adding 3 tablespoons of onions, some tomatoes, green chilies and coriander and eggs. I frequently have eggs for my breakfast and this is Masala Omelette is on a regular routine. This is an easily adaptable recipe if you want to switch out any ingredients for other ones which suits your taste buds, please go ahead. Eggs are such healthy option for your breakfast and it keeps you full until your next meal. Add up all the ingredients mentioned on the screen and give a good whip up and your masala omelette mixture is ready to be going on the pan. Drizzle 2 teaspoons of oil and add the mixture into the pan and also pour in a teaspoon of water and let the magic happen. This omelette is deliciously fluffy and perfect for the breakfast. You can pair it up with a regular slice of bread or some delicious hash brown, which will be our next recipe, so do stay tuned. To make a hash brown, I have taken 1 boiled potato. If you are a firm believer that potato makes basically any meal taste better, then you have come to the right place, especially when it comes to breakfast. And if you're craving for a crispy potatoes that reminds you of your favorite restaurant, then you should try this hash brown recipe. I'm going to shred this boiled potato. Believe it or not, making crispy hash browns is actually quite easy. First, shred the potato using your preferred method, either grating it or using a food processor. Next, you will have to season it with some oregano and chili flakes. Add the binding agent, either a corn flour or an egg. I'm using a corn flour here. Anything of your choice will do. Mix it all really well and form your hash browns into the patties. If you want to make a hash browns crispy like the one I'm making, make sure to heat the oil to the sizzle before adding the patties and wait until one side is golden brown before flipping. Homemade hash browns are inexpensive and easy to make and such a great treat. Crispy from outside and firm and tasty on inside. If If you like such interesting and easy recipes, do subscribe to my channel, Sakira Anjum Vlogs. Thank you for watching.